everyone, I hope you all are doing well. So today I have come with some amazing activities of the CVC word app. CVC words app. AP app. So today we are reading a story. The name of the story is The Map. Max. The dog lived in a small town. He loved to yap at the mailman. One day, while Max was walking on the sidewalk, he saw a shining cap. He gave the cap a gentle tap with his paw. Suddenly, a map fell out of the cap. Max took the map and decided to rap on his owner's door. The owner and Max embarked on the journey to find the hidden treasure. On the way, they took a nap under a tree. Finally, they reached the spot marked on the map. They dug into the ground and found a box filled with treasure. Max happily sat on his owner's lap, enjoying their newfound treasure. I hope you like this story. This is the activity in which we have to write all the app words that were there in the story. So the first word was map, and then yap, and cap. He saw a shining cap and he gave a tap to the cap, and suddenly a map fell down. Okay, and then he gave a rap, nap. I think these are all the words that were there, and one more, lap, in the story. So let's read these words. Map, yap, cap, tap, map, nap and lap. Some questions are written and we have to answer these questions according to the story which we have just read. Who was Max? Max was a dog. Where did Max live? He lived in a small town. With whom did Max live? Well, he lived with his owner, I think. With his owner. What did he find on the sidewalk? Shining cap. Where did Max and his owner go? To find the treasure. So these are all the answers to the questions. You can write them in a detailed manner too. True and false statements are written. We have to write whether the statement is true or false. The first one is Max was a pet cat. False. Max was a dog. He loved to yap at the garbage truck. False. He loved to yap at the mailman. Max found a cap on the sidewalk. True. A map fell from the cap. True. The box was filled with candies. False. It was filled with treasure. Now here it is a crossword puzzle. We will solve this crossword puzzle. Number 1 goes downward and the number 1 is the dog is yapping. So we will write here yap. 2 is going sideways. This is a picture of a tap. 3 is a picture of a cap. 4 is a picture of a nap. And the 5th one is the picture of a map. So let's say these words: yap, tap, cap, nap, and map. So we have to find all the app words. So I can see this wrap. Any other app word? Lap. Yap. Cap. any other app word? Nap. I think that's enough. I cannot find any other app word. If you can, do let me know. These are the scrambled words. We have to write them in the correct manner. So the first word is yap, nap, map, tap, cap, this is also tap or pat. Tap, I think. This is again tap. And this is a gap. Here we have to write all the app words. Gap, tap, tap, yap, cap, wrap, lap, nap, and map. So here some words are written and we have to write some sentences using these words. Wrap. I like to wrap. Tap. I saw a tap. Cap. I have a cap. Map. I found a map. Lap. I sat on lap. Nap. She took nap. The dog like to yap. Gap. I saw big gap. So these are all the sentences which I have written. You can write your own sentences, whatever you like, however you like them. So here it is asked to write a story by using at least 5 app words. So let's write. Once a boy saw a gap on the cliff. He wore his cap. He wanted to nap. He turned on the tap. So this is the kind of a story which you will write here. So today we have covered the CVC app words. I hope you liked today's video. If you have liked it, do press the thumbs up button and do subscribe to my channel. Don't forget. Bye bye.